Hi, so this is my project on the reflection on the Penobscot Restoration Project. First, something I think is very important is that the partners involved created a plan of collaborative effort to balance the fisheries and hydropower production on the river area. Their plan was also focused on community development and educating the local population to promote fundraising and support. On the chapters of the psychology of hope, I got to understand how the Penobscot Restoration Project succeeded by teaching me about the barriers and limitations that might occur during a behavior change. This chapter questions what are the odds of moving towards a sustainable society and how we as humans have the knowledge and experience of environmental issues. This relates to the Penobscot River restoration because it questions if this project will be able to sustain and last as a permanent change in the river and in the community. If the local population of the river fail to complete their behavior change, the efforts to restore the river could be lost.